don't have an accent. Based on songs and stories, heroes of renown, all the passing tales and glories that once was Dublin town. The hallowed halls and houses, haunting children's rhymes, that once was Dublin city in the rare old time. Ring-a-ring-a-rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old time. My name, it is Sean Dempsey, as Dublin as can be, born hard and late in Pimlico, in a house that ceased to be. By trade I was a cooper, lost out to redundancy. Like my house, it fell to progress, my trade's a memory. Ring-a-ring-a-rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old time. And I courted Peggy Dyken, as pretty as you please, a roving child of Mary from the rebel liberties. I lost her to a student chap with skin as black as coal, when he took her off to Birmingham, he took away my soul. Ring-a-ring-a-rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old time. The years have made me bitter, the gargles dimmed me brain, for Dublin it keeps on changing, nothing seems the same. The pillar and the Met have gone, the Royal Uncles pulled down, while the grey unyielding concrete makes a city of my town. On your own now, ring-a-ring-a-rosy. Not too shabby. So fare thee well, sweet Anne Liffey, I can no longer stay, or to watch the new glass cages that spring up along Wood Quay. My mind's too full of memories, too old to hear new chimes. I'm a part of what was Dublin in the rare old time. Ring-a-ring-a-rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old time. Thank you. Well sung. Very good. Thank you.
That's young Paddy Riley.
Oh, thank you, young John. Thank you, young.